Hi guys, I'm Rodney Doro here. I'm about to explain the touches and move and move is a bullet strategy to you guys. First things first, you need to use the 200 EMA to find market direction. If price is below my yellow line, the market direction is moving downwards, as you guys can see. This yellow line is my 200 moving average. There is my settings. So if price is below my yellow line, the general movement of the market is downwards. If price is above my yellow line, like right there, the general movement of the market is upwards, just like that. Second thing I need to do, which is step 2, I need to find my entry points. My first, and I'm always going to enter using the red line. People, this is quite important. I only enter my trades where the red line and price is my candlesticks touch. I only enter there, there, there. So let me explain how you will do this. Since price is higher than the 200 AMA, my general movement is upwards. So I'm gonna wait for price to touch my red line. That's my first candle touching my red line. That's my first candle touching my red line. When my second candle open and it's about 10% of the size of my first candle, I'm gonna enter my buy trade. I will then proceed to stay in this buy trade until RSI is in the region of 70%. 70% is anything that's 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's my 70% region. As you guys can see right here, price right here is at an RSI level valued at 75. So I'm going to close my buy trade on my first red candle, on my first opposing red candle. I'm going to repeat. We're going to wait for price to touch my first white candle, and then I'm going to enter my buy trade on this candle only if it's 10% of the size, and it must be in the same direction as this one. So I'm going to stay in this trade until RSI is in the region of 70%. Right here, RSI is at 75%. So on my first red candle, I'm going to close my buy trade. Same thing for a sell. I'm going to wait until price is below my yellow line. So price is below. First red candle touches. On my second red candle, I enter my trade when it's 10% of that size. I'm going to stay in this trade until RSI hit the level or region of 30%. Once again, 30% is anything, 34, 30, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. So I'm selling right there. Stay in the trade until I'm in the 30% region. Right here, I'm in the 30% region and I have my first opposing white candle, so I get out of the trade. So you guys can see RSI is at 25. Simple like that. Same thing right here. Stay in my trade until RSI is in a region of 30%. Right there it's 20. First opposing white, I get out. And that right there is the Sphinx Money entry. Where don't I trade? In areas of consolidation. This right here is a good area of consolidation. So no, I wouldn't trade. It wouldn't be wrong of you to enter your selling trade, but after a couple of hours, you will soon realize that with this trade, you're not going anywhere. Rather get out of a trade where you're not going anywhere. So hypothetically speaking, you would enter your sale right there. As you can see, nowhere in this area would you ever be out of the money. So you have enough time to see that, listen, I am not going anywhere with this trade. Let me get out of this trade. Consolidation is typically where I have candles red, red, white, 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 red, red, white, 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 red, red, red. As you can see, you're not going anywhere. Get out. You definitely don't trade when price is between my red and my yellow line. Definitely not. Look there, touch is a move is a bullet, go all the way up. Simple. Definitely don't trade when price is in between like that there. That is this right here is another situation where price went into consolidation. First white, second white you would buy, and then two reds, two whites, two reds. As you can see, you could have got out of that trade if you were awake, or you could have stayed in it and made money. Either way, you wouldn't lose money. How do you counter trade? You counter trade by waiting until RSI is in the region of 70%. Because the rules for RSI say whenever RSI is 75% or higher, it is overbought. So the market must go down again. That's what you're countering. You want to wait for your first red candle, second red candle, you want to sell, stay in your trade until RSI is in the 50% region. Right there, RSI made it to the 50% region. 51. Get out of the trade. Same thing for a buy. You're going to wait until RSI is in the 30% region. The rules for RSI say whenever RSI is in the 30% region, RSI is oversold. In other words, the market needs to go up again. So there's your first white, second white you buy, you stay in the trade until RSI is in the 40% region. There, right there, that's my first opposing red candle. That's where I will leave my trade. You always leave on opposing candle. That right there, I will leave my trade. RSI right there is 48%. But initially, you should get out at around 40%. Your first opposing white candle, red candle at 40, get out. For the buy, you only trade whatever region RSI is from 30 up to 40. That's all. For a sell, you trade whatever region RSI is at 70 until 50. The sell is 2 times the size of the buy because a sell occurs faster than a buy. It's easier to fall down the stairs than to climb up the stairs. Hope you guys have it. That's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your trading week.